Hi, Robin here from Solution Inc. We just got back from Las Vegas, attending the VRMA, the Vacation Rental Management Association show. It was a very busy show. Lots of growing property management companies and homeowners and luxury resort or ski resort or vacation resort owners and managers there, looking for all kinds of tips and tricks and technologies. We were very busy, met a lot of people, and learned a lot at the show as well. And we wanted to share a few things that both we offer and have discovered that are becoming very critical for property managers trying to grow a successful business. So a few of the pillars that we noticed that are very important to customers are actually things that we focused on in developing our product. So coincidentally, we might have some solutions for these three things. One, very importantly, is the discovery of who your guests actually are. Most people in this industry have anywhere from 50 to 90%, if not 100% of their bookings coming through our friends at the OTAs, the online travel agents. Companies like Booking.com, Homestay, Airbnb, and there's a plethora of others, but just to name a few. And when a booking comes in from these, obviously if you're a vacation management company or you're using them, you know this, you don't actually get the direct email or the names of your clients. You get the opportunity to message them through the OTA's application. And to companies that are trying to grow and get more direct bookings to increase margin, this is a bit of an issue. So one of the things that we do that's very important to these growing companies is we use Wi-Fi to provide a professional Wi-Fi experience at each property, a branded experience, just like in a hotel, where you get a landing page and a splash page that are branded. But what we do is we use that page to gather some customer insights, their names and their emails, before we unlock the Wi-Fi and let them on Wi-Fi, similar to any experience you'd have in a hotel. But we automate the data capture and can plumb this right back to any type of CRM or marketing automation tool that you might have, so that you can easily, on a go-forward basis, market to them during their stay, after their stay, and perhaps to get them to come back for another stay. So very important things that all growing property management companies were looking for, and something that we can provide with our solution. Another important pillar was simply having a solid system that was supported. A lot of people have been growing their business and they're using a standard consumer model of Wi-Fi, which is okay, but once you get managing 100 different properties, you might have 100 different usernames and passwords for Wi-Fi, 100 different modems in each of the properties that you're trying to add smart TVs and other things to. It just gets complex as you scale. So one of the things that we have blended into our service is we use the same support team that's supporting all of our hotels and hospitals and schools and convention centers, and we use that same support team to help support your guests, allowing them to call us instead of you, and we'll be an extension of your support team and take those late night or early night support calls while the family's trying to get their Xbox on the internet, or the business traveler's trying to get a presentation done and he's having connectivity issues. All things that we do as a part of our service, and all things that seem to be very desirable or a very large need in this industry that we discovered at the show. The typical property manager when starting out has one property, so they don't mind meeting the guests as they arrive to give them the key and show them around, or they don't mind being there a few minutes early and unlocking the door. But when you scale to 5 properties, 10 properties, 100, 1,000, 2,000, being able to be there just doesn't make business sense anymore. So you need to be able to automate certain things. So there's a lot of technology vendors that were at this show, and just as many that likely weren't at this show, that can automate with door lock systems, thermostats, cameras, noise sensors, water systems, digital concierge, the list goes on. The challenge is that you now have commercial services that are running your business, connecting to a home Wi-Fi router in most cases, which really just doesn't work. When you get to this level of commercialization in your business, you really need to have a commercial network team and network support team to make sure that all these devices are connected properly, have the proper coverage, and just as important, have the proper security measures in place from a network perspective to make sure that they're connected with the bandwidth they need and the priority that they need in order to operate. So things that we do with our Wi-Fi system is exactly that. We put in commercial grade hardware and support all those vendors for you and have the conversations with them on your behalf to understand what it is that they're looking to do, what network connections they need, and we'll set all that up for you as a part of our service. So a very important part of your business is automating it so you can continue to scale. Critical to have the proper IT support in the background in order to make sure all that stuff connects and works properly. And with that said, lots of great vendors, lots of great relationships, and lots of customers, future and present, that we met at the VRMA show. So to all you, thank you for taking the time to come to our booth. And for everybody else, if you need any more information on what we do and how we can help, please contact us, and we'll be excited to assist you in growing your business. Have a great day.